Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to enable the Chrome Active Downloads notification vibration on your Android device. This is a quick and simple trick that makes it easier to stay on top of your downloads, especially when you want to know the exact moment a file has finished downloading without constantly checking your phone. By the end, you'll have vibration alerts set up and ready to go. First, let's get started with your phone's main settings. Locate the Settings app on your device and open it. This is where all of the system adjustments are handled, including app permissions, notifications, and more. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This section holds all the installed applications on your phone and will be focusing on Google Chrome, since that's where we want to adjust the download alerts. Now, from the list of apps, tap on Chrome. Once you're inside Chrome's app-specific settings, you'll see a variety of options. But what we're interested in here is the Notifications option. Go ahead and select it. Inside Notifications, you'll notice several categories that organize different types of alerts Chrome can send you. To refine these settings further, tap on Notification Categories. This expands into a menu that allows you to individually adjust things like downloads, incognito activity, and other types of Chrome alerts. From here, locate and tap on Active Downloads. This category controls the notifications you receive whenever a file is downloading through Chrome. You'll see several toggles that let you decide how these alerts behave. Now, simply switch on the Vibrate toggle. Once this is activated, your phone will give you a gentle vibration whenever your active downloads are processing through Chrome, so you'll never miss them again. That's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for Chrome's active download notifications. It only takes a few moments, but it can make your downloading experience a lot smoother and more convenient. Thanks for watching.